Hey everyone, welcome back to Cool Wonders. If you're a teenager and you're looking to grow your money, investing is one of the best ways to do that. But where do you start? Today I'm going to walk you through how you can begin investing as a teenager. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is investing? Investing is when you put your money into something with the hope that it will grow over time. This could be stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting a small business. But remember, all investments come with some level of risk, so it's important to do your homework. To start investing, you'll need to open a brokerage account. This is like a bank account, but for investing. Some platforms, like Fidelity and Robinhood, offer accounts specifically for teens with parental approval. Once you have an account, you can start buying and selling stocks. As a beginner, it's a good idea to start small and stick with safer investments. Index funds or ETFs are great for beginners. They let you invest in a bunch of companies at once, which helps lower your risk. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, you're spreading them out. Set a budget for how much you want to invest each month. Remember, you don't need to put in huge amounts of money at first. Even if it's $10 or $20 a month, that money can grow over time thanks to compound interest. So there you have it. Starting to invest as a teenager is totally doable if you follow these steps. Take it slow, do your research, and your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Wonders for more awesome tips. See you in the next video.